have brakes.
Yes, hello, brother. Morning.
Good morning from Gili T,
Yeah.
Indonesia. So we've been here now for 2 days, and today we decided to get the bikes so that we can show you around the island. There are no motorized vehicles here on Gili T. A small island just off the coast of Lombok. And you have 3 of them. You have Gili Trawangan, you have Gili Meno, and you have Gili Air. Trawangan is the most famous one because it's called also like a party island, but you can also do one of the best diving here. So now we're gonna cycle a little bit, see what the island has to offer. Also, these bikes, they don't have brakes. So you have to have good hand-eye coordination, and your butt hurts because the roads are like this. Look at this. Look at how blue the water is. There are all these diving centers everywhere because diving is very popular here, and we're gonna do it not tomorrow but the day after in Gili Air, which is a smaller island, because it's a little bit cheaper. So here every fun dive, or no, wait, every discover scuba dive is 1,050,000 rupiah, which is around 70 euros ish, and on Gili Air it's 900, so it's cheaper. And also if you book online you get like a 10% discount as well, like a fun dive, which is like 590,000, which is around 35 euros, which is cheap, but not as cheap as in Amed where it was like 25. We are now going to the north of the island to see if we can spot some turtles.
No, the turtle point is actually here. But
No, you have turtle point in the north as well.
yeah.
Yeah, you have them actually everywhere.
Yes, hello, brother.
Very nice people here. Also, the majority of people here on these islands are Muslim. So there are some mosques on the island as well. So it's nice to hear the call to prayer every like 5 times a day. We have to push the bikes because we're on sand roads. Tsunamis may happen here because we're in the middle of the ocean, and this is an island. There are like evacuation routes everywhere, and there's one kind of hill where everyone has to flee to in the case of a tsunami. Hello. So you see like signs everywhere, like evacuation routes and stuff like that, which sometimes can be scary if you think about it, that if a tsunami comes you're pretty much helpless, but it doesn't happen that often. I think the latest biggest earthquake was here in 2019 and was very devastating, but now it looks good again. So we made it to the north of the island. Very nice resorts in here. The Bounty Island side of the island. Also, we rented these bikes for 40,000 a night. That is around just a little under 3 euros a day, which is alright. There is trash everywhere, as you can see. That's a bit of a shame, but yeah. So this is an open air cinema. Pretty nice at Ashton. We were here yesterday and watching The Departed, the classic. Well, at least I slept a little bit. This side of the island is like completely empty. There are like very nice resorts, very nice beach clubs, but it's completely empty, which is weird. But maybe it has something to do with the fact that it's actually far away. I don't know, but all these nice resorts, all these nice clubs, it's all empty. We are back in the busy area east of the island. Yeah, so we went north, west, south, and now we're on the east. And here it's busy again. We are back at our hostel. So it was like a drive of 1 hour, close to 1 hour. And now we're back. See if we can chill for a bit and then head back out. Time to chill. We are at a beach club called La Cala. La Cala. It's really nice. Look behind me. You don't have to pay for the beds. It's just you just have to order some food or some drinks, which is I think almost everywhere on the island. My food came and it looks absolutely delicious. Look at this. Can I taste your fries?
Oh yeah.
Very good. You want a pickle? But very good. Costs around 110, which is something like 8 euros. It's not expensive. For here it's expensive because it's more expensive than the rest of the island, but I mean it's also a nice beach club. So alright guys, we chilled at the hotel for a bit and now look at where we are. We are looking at the sunset and it's truly amazing. There's a lot of wind. We're on the other side of the island again where it was completely empty during the day, but I mean now we know why it is empty, because everyone comes here during sunset. Because look at this. Lena's taking pictures over there together with Alex, and I'm just waiting here for my drink. Say hi.
Hi.
Crazy sunset.